Hi everyone, welcome. We're so excited to be here today. I'm Julie and I'm at the Zulily headquarters with the cutest little crafters ever. Tell me your name.
I'm Koa.
This is Koa and
Kai.
And we are so excited. We're going to show you a great DIY teacher appreciation craft today. And we just thought it'd be fun to get started and show you how easy this is. Right, kids?
Easy and fun.
Easy and fun,
Yeah.
that's right. So we have a great sample that shows you for this project, all you need to get is a 8x10 frame and just a basic school ruled paper. And the kids are putting those together right now. This is really easy. They're putting the backings on there. I love it. Look at you guys. You got this.
Also,
The back on the frames. For this project, we just picked up the frames and some school paper. We've got some great wooden letters, right, guys? And we're going to write something neat at the top. We've got some twine and some glue dots. So what we're going to do next is what? Do you guys think you know what's next?
Yeah, I think we're going to glue these.
We're going to take the wood letters and put some glue dots on them, and they've chose to write notes today because they're going to give them to their teachers, and their teachers are going to be able to write notes. It makes a cute little dry erase board for whoever you're going to give it to, and yeah, go ahead and put it right on top of there. These are so fun to work with, and pull really hard. Here, let me help you, Koa. Ooh, wait, I missed it. I'll grab you one. There you go. How are you doing over there? Good. So yeah, like I was saying, these are great to do with the kids. They can choose any word they want, and we're going to see what the kids are going to write to their teacher in just a second here. They're going to write something special. I'm not even sure what they're going to write. They might even get creative on me and put some little picture on there, huh? How are you doing?
Good.
Good.
It's kind of hard.
Here you go. Okay, I can't wait to see what you're going to write.
Notes, we're going to put knots.
No, yeah, we're going to actually put notes. And Koa, are you ready? Do you want to start writing? I think you picked blue, right?
Yep. Yeah, I'll do that.
And Kai is going to wait. So he's going to write something really nice for his teacher. And we're going to see. And you're going to work on yours too, right? Yeah. So again, this is something that you can do. You can change the words out to teach, to learn, whatever your kiddo thinks that your teacher's going to like. Let them get creative with this. Oh, look at this. Tell us what you're writing.
You are creative.
Oh, so you're going to let her know. How nice.
She's very good.
And what do you have going? Thanks. I'm going to let you tell everyone what you're writing.
Switch, and then I'm going to put a guitar. She plays a guitar.
And did you think this was an easy craft?
Pretty easy.
It's pretty easy, you guys.
the right
You can do
material.
this. Okay, so tell us what you wrote to your teacher.
Thanks for letting me go to recess.
Oh, I love it. Thanks for letting me go to recess. And he's actually drawing, I can tell, this is a slide and a swing, isn't it? Good job. I really do have some creative kiddos going. And that's a guitar. Okay, show everybody now what you guys have done. And then we'll finish up. We're going to make sure your teachers get their own pen, right?
Yep.
So you guys are going to tie, oh, look at that. Good job. That looks awesome. And you did it yourself.
Can we go under?
Yep, go underneath your frame and I'll help you. See how there's a stand back here? Yep. You're going to go under here and tie a bow. You can put your pen in there for me. Set it right in there on top of here. And we're going to tie a little bow around it so that your teacher makes sure and get a dry erase pen. Okay, there we go. How's that? Okay, how's your going? Good?
Yeah, good.
Okay, guys, while they're finishing up, oh, look at that. Good job.
Oh no, it's escaping.
Here, I'll help you here.
It's escaping.
It's escaping. So you want to just tie like you're tying your tennis shoes
Oh yeah.
right over the pen. How easy is that?
Easy.
Okay, good job. So we want to thank everyone for joining us today. What do you guys think? Awesome? Awesome. So we just want to have you try these really easy crafts with your kiddos, for your teachers. We thank you for joining us. We hope you'll visit our website for some great ideas for other craft samples and supplies you need to make. And we will see you soon. Thanks for joining me, kiddos.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.